Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video doing an unboxing and review of the S-Zone Leather Goods men's toiletry bag, which is this bag right here. This is a toiletry bag that you can currently get on Amazon for about $50. It comes in this light brown color as well as a darker brown color. And I'll say that taking this out of the packaging and looking at it, I'm really impressed with the quality and design of this. And so what we'll do in this video is we'll go over the bag, the general features of it, and then I'll walk through throwing some different items in it to get a sense of how it fits different capacity. As always, if you're interested in potentially purchasing this, I'll leave links in the description below. Okay, so this is the S-Zone Leather Goods men's toiletry bag. You can currently get this on Amazon for about $50. It comes in this light brown color, which is this really nice tan finished leather finish, as well as a darker brown color. And I'll say that first impressions, just feeling and touching this bag, it is a very nice quality leather as far as the construction, the design, the feel of this product. Just first impressions, it's just a very elegant and well-made product just by the feel in your hands. So it's pretty impressive just out of the packaging, so I'm excited to open this. But as far as the design, this is going to be a basic toiletry bag that you can use for bathroom purposes, for traveling or when you're on the go. As far as the design here, this is what it looks like. So it's got this leather finish across all the sides here. It's basically a well-made leather, a very thick, robust leather. I can't emphasize that enough just based on the feel and design. On the one side here, they actually have a handle that basically incorporates like a cloth design as well as a leather that's incorporated into it. So you can easily hold this on the go and have a handle for whenever you're going around. And then on the side here, they have basically one zipper pouch that goes the whole length of it, which will be a pouch here, and then a separate compartment that has this double zipper pouch here with a clasp mechanism that actually secures it with a magnetic clasp. So overall the construction is really well made. The leather is very nice as far as the design. This is a product that I will definitely apply a very good leather conditioner to get it very saturated so that it'll protect the leather as well as maintain the moisture for longevity and the overall look of it. So this is a great product that you throw a leather conditioner on this, it'll probably last much longer and look better as far as the sheen and the quality of the leather. But as far as the actual side pouch here, it's got this construction with this robust zipper. These aren't cheap zippers, they're very thick, very strong. You can tell that they're very well made and they're not just going to fall apart. But this goes the full length here, and then basically it's got a mesh compartment with a zipper on the edge here where you can slide things in here. This is a good place where you could throw like a toothbrush, your razor, maybe your shave brush as well, different products like that, which can fit directly in here so they're not falling around. And then on the side here they actually have like elastic straps that go the full length of this where you could slide things directly underneath them and secure it. So very similarly, you could put your toothbrush, razor, whatever you might be, nail clipper, those sorts of things. As far as the size of this, it's not too crazy as far as the pouch here, but it's a really great way to just access things very easily. Have the pouch here, have the elastic here, and it's a full length zipper so you can easily open this up, use it fully to your advantage without difficulty. And then the other main compartment is going to be this compartment here, and so they've got this magnetic clasp design. So it's basically a magnetic clasp that secures and pops right in here and secures it down, which is nice. I haven't seen that feature on these bags before, but you loosen that, and then there's this double zipper here where basically you can just unzip the full length of it and it opens into this main compartment. We'll take out the padding here and just take a look at what comes inside here. But basically it's going to be one large compartment. Hopefully you can see with the lighting, it's a little bit dark in there, but on the side here they have to have similar elastic straps that are a little bit wider. So this one's like about 3 finger lengths, very similarly 3 finger lengths here, and then another 3 finger lengths. So 3 elastic straps right there, if you can see them. And then on the other side here, there's going to be 2 separate pouches that are about the width of my fingers there, which have this like polyester kind of like pouch there, and there's 2 separate there, but the rest is just one main large compartment. So that's it as far as the bag construction design. The leather is very nice to the touch. It's very good quality. The zipper is well made as far as the construction. So this is a very impressive design as far as the product. I feel like this is something that if you take care of it with the leather and everything, you'll have no issues having this last years if you really take good quality care of it. And so what I'll do now is I'm just going to take my normal toiletry bag that I have at the gym and try to just put different items in here to get a sense of the overall fit, so you get an idea of the capacity. But we'll just basically start throwing things in here. So I've got a face wash, I've got contact lens solution, I have my deodorant right there, okay, a bar of soap, all right, which you can slide right there. I've got, sorry, my deodorant's actually like, the cap is cracked, so it's like falling off. I've got my beard balm, I have my beard brush, I have my hair product, and then I have a loofah. And then lastly, I don't think this will fit in here, but I have a like a shampoo that I actually use as a body wash as well, which will not fit in here, but that's really just because this is a very large bottle. But if I got a smaller bottle, it would fit. And so just sliding this in with all those different items, we'll just make sure the loofah doesn't actually get stuck in the zipper, because it's more prone for that with the design. But it does... Sorry, the loofah's here. I'm just going to get rid of the loofah because it's causing problems. But basically, it does zipper very easily. The clasp mechanism is really nice, the magnetic clasp there, and there's no problem there. So you can fit definitely a ton of products as far as travel purposes. My gym stuff is really for work purposes, but you could even fit more items in here without any difficulty if you really wanted to. So I think this is a great product as a toiletry bag for either travel purposes on a plane, or checking your bag, or just for whatever purposes you need. But this is the S Zone Leather Goods men's toiletry bag. It's on Amazon for $50. This is definitely a very good product as far as the quality design, the build of it. I'm very impressed with the craftsmanship, and I'm really excited to condition this, make it really look good with the conditioning aspect, and start using this as my daily bag for kind of like travel purposes. And so thanks for watching. If you have questions, post them below. But thanks for watching, and have a great day.